Hi friends, this video shows how to replace the battery of MetaQuest 3 controller. So these are the MetaQuest 3 controllers. So I am going to replace the battery. So this is the battery cover. So I have purchased new battery. So I need to insert this battery. So first we have to open this cover. So here we can see battery release tab. We have to press this button, battery release button, to open this cover. So let me press. See, then we can easily remove this cover. Next we have to take this battery outside. So we have to push this battery down, then we can easily take this, push down and pull. See, that way we can take this battery outside. So let me insert new battery here. Done. Next I will show you how to close it. Just place this cover, then we need to push. Let me push. We will hear a tick sound. See, done. So this way we can replace the battery of MetaQuest 3 controllers. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.